Welcome guys to my channel. The Huawei MatePad SE 11 is a fully finished consumer tablet, released in June 2024, packed with industrial-grade components, from its 11-inch FHD Plus 1920 by 1200 IPS LCD, metal unibody, Kirin 710A or Snapdragon 680 chipsets, HarmonyOS 2.0, to features like an M Pen Light stylus, quad-go audio speakers, and a 7,700 mAh battery with 22.5 W fast charging. Reproducing this device exactly is not feasible unless you're a manufacturer with access to proprietary hardware, design schematics, and a supply chain ready to replicate each component. However, building a DIY tablet inspired by the MatePad SE 11, that's within reach if you're into maker culture or embedded systems. The Huawei MatePad SE 11 strikes a remarkable balance between elegance and practicality. Weighing just around 475 grams and measuring a sleek 6.9 mm thick, the tablet brings together a durable metal unibody design and a refined look available in nebula grey and crystal blue, a design that feels premium yet stays lightweight and comfortable to hold. At the heart of the tablet is an 11-inch FHD Plus 1920 by 1200 IPS LCD display featuring a generous screen-to-body ratio of ~85%, delivering crisp visuals in a compact form. Huawei consumer certified by TV Rhineland for low blue light and flicker-free viewing. This screen incorporates adaptive brightness, ebook mode, and full-range DC dimming, making it both comfortable for the eyes during extended use and safer for family viewing. Proprietary components: Huawei sources specialized SoCs, Kirin 710A or Snapdragon 680, depending on region, custom accelerometers, and quad-speaker setups not available to hobbyists. Complex software and licensing: HarmonyOS, its drivers, stylus integration, and multi-screen collaboration features are closed systems tied to Huawei's ecosystem. Manufacturing: precision metal unibody designs, screen lamination, and components like 400 nits IPS LCDs with TV certification require factory-level precision. Sleek, lightweight, and durable design with aluminum unibody eye comfort certified FHD Plus display with adaptive features, immersive quad-speaker audio with HIS-10 tuning, long-lasting battery life and fast recharge capability, stylus support for notes and drawing, smooth HarmonyOS experience with multitasking and collaboration tools, flexible memory and storage with expandability, reliable connectivity for daily usage, adequate camera setup for basic needs. If you're passionate about DIY electronics and eager to build a custom tablet-like device, use modular platforms like Raspberry Pi or BeagleBoard for a DIY base. Source a compatible touchscreen and battery to fit your custom case. Install an OpenOS, Linux or Android-based, and design your interface. Adapt peripherals. Use external speakers, generic touch panels, and chassis to mimic specific features. While such devices may not match the sleekness, hardware performance, or ecosystem integration of the MatePad SE 11, they offer excellent learning potential and customization. Tech-savvy hobbyists have created tablets using modular platforms like the BeagleBoard. Back in 2010, Liquidware offered a DIY tablet kit with a touchscreen, processor board, battery module, and Linux pre-installed for around $400. Another inspiring project is the PiPad, a Raspberry Pi-powered tablet with a wooden case, touch display, and portable design. The creator shared his parts list and design files publicly, showing how someone can build their own tablet from scratch with creativity and technical know-how. In the Reddit DIY community, tech enthusiasts share ongoing projects. For instance, one user described assembling a custom device by gathering parts, a shell, and adapting the PCB, offering hope that building a custom tablet, even if not a Huawei clone, is achievable with effort. Audio experiences are elevated through a quad-speaker system tuned with Huawei HIS-10 9.0, offering immersive sound. Whether you're binge-watching shows, gaming, or attending online classes, this tablet delivers powerful and clear audio from all directions. On the software side, the tablet runs HarmonyOS 2.0, enabling intelligent multitasking with features like multi-window, floating windows, and multi-screen collaboration for efficient workflows. It also includes Kids Corner, a safe, child-friendly environment filled with educational content. Making a real Huawei MatePad SE 11 yourself isn't possible due to hardware exclusivity and complex software. But you can build a DIY tablet, inspired by it, using open platforms and self-design hardware. Projects like the PiPad or Beagle tablet show what's possible if you're resourceful and technically inclined. So yes, building a tablet is possible. A Huawei MatePad SE 11? Not exactly. But if your goal is learning, experimentation, or making something unique, the DIY world is wide open and full of possibility. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.